Today we're going to talk about soil. What soil do you need for vegetables? And it can also work for flowers. Hey everybody, thanks for joining the Garden Duo again. I'm Seth and I handle everything veggie, and we'll throw some fruits in there as well.
I'm Katie and I handle everything flowers.
Let's keep talking about soil. When you read a lot of books and things on the internet, it's going to say you need three pieces. You need a mulch, you need peat moss, a third one called vermiculite. That's the hard little things that you find in potting soil. I have never used that, never had an issue. It's actually quite expensive, so I just throw it out. This right here is Nutrimulch. What Nutrimulch is little pieces of wood. We're not talking big pieces of wood, and composted turkey manure. Now, it doesn't smell like turkey manure, it smells like dirt. So don't be worried about that. It's going to be perfect for your soil. So the next piece to your soil mix is peat moss. Any peat moss is going to do. This one right here is a Canadian Sphangum peat moss. We got it down at the local shop. You can find Canadian Sphangum peat moss pretty much anywhere. So with this, it's going to spread out, and as you can see here, it's 2.2 cubic feet, but right here on the side, it actually expands out to 4.4 cubic feet. So make sure that when you're buying this, you're buying it off what it's going to expand to, not what it currently the cubic size is. Together, you're going to take and just mix this 50-50 mix in your box. One here, and that is what's going to make a great mix. So next we're going to dump in the Nutrimulch and peat moss. Remember, you want a 50-50 mix, so we just take it in, dump it, and stir it up. You need organic matter from the peat moss. This will actually hold a ton of water as well. This stinks, I'm not gonna lie. This stinks, I'm not gonna lie. This stinks, I'm not gonna lie. It's been sitting out in the sun for all summer, but it's gonna bring some great organic matter to your soil. This right here is gonna bring you the nutrients you need, and also the little pieces of wood will help it so it doesn't get compacted down. So one of the best things about this soil, no matter how deep it goes, no matter how much you have going on, you can always plant in it because it'll never get compacted with what's in there, and it will be awesome for planting whatever you want in there. If you want to see how we built this box, click right up here. So, box is full, now you're ready to plant. One last thing about that is you will want to make sure that it will start to settle out a little bit, but each year you don't have to bring in brand new stuff. When you need to top it off a little bit, just go to the store and get a couple bags, bring it in. It's maybe $10 or $20 in a couple years. Not a big deal. Hope you liked it.